This time, mommy, he got burned up in Tokyo, Japan. Oh, please shut up. Anyways, here's my new apprentice, Beardo Arg. Wait, just take your time. Join us at the I could still hurt you from down here. Okay, Master Toyoda, I have arrived. Good work. How are we gonna have fun? Yes. Moment. How about you, Mr. Rod Mecawell? Oh yes, my daughter will date with Danny D. Prime. This time, look. I am ready to fight the pirate villain army. For the you guys. Yay! Yeah, it was getting me too old. Wait, give me a sec. It was getting me too old. Well, join us, you must. Yes. And we got a mission. Yeah? Yeah, what is it? Means that we are gonna steal our own discs, from the American Spies lessons every year. Oh. That must be well. Come on, we're gonna mission. Come on. Wumpy. Oh. Yeah, let's go. Come on, let's go. Oh, wait for me. 2 minutes later. We did it. We got the discs. Hey, there he is. Run! Master Toyoda, take the discs and put it in our ship. Yes. Right away. Come on. I'll handle this. That's it. Run! Come on, fools! Throw them together! Yes, come on, let's get in. Yes, let them. Quick, to my ship! Yes, sir! Get your hands off my feet! We did it! We got the discs! Yay! To the American Spies! To the American Spies! Yeah! Yeah. They saved the world! Drats! No, we didn't! What do you mean? Look! Huh? Look! The pirate villains! He's after us! Do something! Get to your guns! Yes! Right away! Okay, I'm going to my ship. And shoot the target. Whatever you do, don't make no mistakes. Right. I'll take it myself. Hurry! Hurry! I'm trying. We gotta save the disc before it's too late. I'm trying. Hurry! The cannon. Fire! Fire! Come on! Whoa! Uh-oh. I think I'm gonna fall. This can't be good. This is gonna... Come on, matey. Look up. Wait. Oh my god! Oh, great. We lost. Oh, dear. We did it. We saved the world. Yeah, Now, let's go to Camp Law and Aqua. Yes, let's go.
There, and the discs will never find them here at Camp Law and Aqua. Okay, time to go.
So that's never happened in your beginning. Whoa. So that's time. Yes. Let's just sit and relax on the beach. Okay. Overlook. Hey, is this the spice we've been looking for? Oh, there he is! Let's get him! Huh? Right! We gotta win. You swords. Come on, we gotta escape. The ship. Come on. Jack. Oh, hello. Crack. Get us out of here. Oh yeah, right away. Oh. Quick, get out of here. Where'd he go? Oh, great, we lost. Oh, great, we lost him. Oh, sorry. Great, we let him get away. There's gonna be nothing, just like paperwork. We're going back home. There. What are you doing? Hey, That's better. Where are we going, Jack? Back to Los Angeles. Oh, great. Oh, I don't know, maybe this time. Don't worry, we'll be safe. You guys just let the spies escape? That's why he's going back to Los Angeles. So, wait, did you say the spies are going to Los Angeles? Yes, sir. I heard them. Good. And I swimming back. Oh, you're gone. Yeah. Okay, mateys. Let's go back to Los Angeles. Come on, to the ship. Yes, sir, come on. Come on, matey, let's go. Come on, let's go. Let's go back to Los Angeles. Yes, sir.